Hello, welcome to MyStore.Shopping. We're excited to start this journey with you. To start off, as partner rider, it is very important to register an account through driver.mystore.shopping. Fill out all the details such as your user account details and personal information like your name, address, and gender. After you registered, you need to go to the nearest business center in your area so you can have your account approved. Approval process may vary per business center, but to expedite the transaction, make sure to prepare and bring the requirements with you so that, after attending orientation, the business center can process your approval. Driver's basic requirements are the accreditation agreement, official receipt or certificate of registration of the vehicle, professional driver's license, NBI, or police clearance, and other documents requested by the business center. Another prerequisite before you can start accepting deliveries is your e-wallet. Loading your e-wallet may only be done with the business center to whom you submitted your application. So make sure to keep the contact number of your business center so that you can get in touch with them wherever you may be. To know more about driver's accreditation, get in touch with the business center near you.